Hello and good day. This is the daily analysis of the Bitcoin symbol on February 25th. According to our previous analysis and prediction, after a stop hunt, the price was accompanied by strong buying pressure. And finally, after breaking a market structure level, it entered.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
An order block zone. It is predicted that if the positive sentiment within the market increases, the price can continue its bullish trend, and if it closes above the 66,600 level, it can move up to the order block zone at the 67,350 level. It can continue its bullish trend, and after that, have a short-term downward correction. However, if liquidity enters the market, the price could experience a short-term bullish correction. Liquidity may be collected on the buy side and then re-enter a bearish phase, which is a possibility. An order block or CP is located in this area, and if selling pressure increases, it could enter a bearish phase down to the fair value gap zone, after which it may resume its bullish trend. Analyzing the 1-hour time frame for Bitcoin, we can see the market structure where the price entered the rejection block zone. After that, it moved upward, and eventually, after breaking a market structure level, which was accompanied by a bullish displacement move, it entered a correction phase. It is predicted that the price will move downward. It is expected to collect liquidity towards the sell side, enter a range zone, and then move upward from this area. However, if selling pressure in the market increases, it could target lower levels. It may enter a liquidity pool zone, get rejected from the fair value gap area, and then move upward. Today's bias is a bullish one, as seen by analyzing the 1-hour time frame. According to our previous analysis, if Bitcoin's price stays within the previous day's candle, it can be accompanied by a bullish move, as we can see. At the start of the day, the price moved upward. It was accompanied by selling pressure and once again continued its movement downward. If by the end of today the price closes above the previous day's candle, it could have only a short-term correction in the coming days, and after that, it may target higher levels up to 67,500. But if the price is accompanied by selling pressure and negative sentiment, it can continue its overall downward trend and target its swing low. With the analysis of the 15-minute time frame for Bitcoin, using the ICT Kill Zone TF Lab indicator, we can identify the kill zone areas and trading sessions, and with the start of the Asian session, there was an aggressive move in the market that pushed the price upward. After that, there was a short-term downward correction, which we can see by examining the Fibonacci ratio. The price entered the OTE zone and reached the 0.618 level, which is considered a highly significant level, and pushed the price upward, but it is expected to move downward to collect liquidity on the sell side. In order to identify a deeper bearish trend, the price could enter the order block zone, and after that, if a break of the CHACH or market structure is detected, with a striker shift, we can enter a buy position, set the stop loss behind the zone, and target the liquidity towards the buy side and higher price levels. But keep in mind that there is also a double bottom and a zone at the lower part. There is a liquidity pool that can attract the price towards itself, and the price may move up to the fair value gap zone. But if we identify weakness and get candlestick confirmation, we can also enter a trade from this area, which can be analyzed by looking at the ETF funds. Bitcoin. In the past day, this flow was into the funds, with $257 million entering the funds, and by examining the liquidation levels, we can see that the level of long liquidation levels in the market has increased, which of course can attract the price towards itself. The price could have a correction downward to move toward the order block and fair value gap area. It can collect the liquidity on the sell side and then move upward again. So it can collect the liquidity on the buy side, and one of the important levels as a resistance is the 67,400 level, which is an order block area and a recent displacement move. The market reacted from this area. If the price moves upward, it could get rejected from this area and move downward. Furthermore, traders can easily access a wide variety of professional trading ideas and technical signals directly from this specific section on the official TradingView website. For instance, in the detailed market analysis we recently conducted on the Bitcoin symbol, a very reliable and safe signal was officially issued, which we can clearly observe and evaluate right here. It was rejected from the Unicron zone and moved downward. We can review the analyses related to each symbol in this section. Wishing you success and profitable trades.